Costing. Costing is definitely in the Unit 4 or Unit 5 case study exam, because it has to be. Let us approach costing first from an everyday point of view. Imagine your car and how much it costs you. Some things you pay yearly. These could be road tax, insurance, and hire purchase payments if you're buying it on HP. You still have to pay these even if the car's laid up. Some things you effectively pay each mile that you drive. These items could be fuel because you set fire to it every mile, garage bills because the car wears out mile by mile, and tires because you wear them out per mile too. You only pay these costs if you use the car. Suppose now that the other half asked you how much it cost to go to the school in the car. How do you work that out? Here are some yearly amounts. To start, you have to make a guess as to how many miles you're going to do in a year. Let us take some approximate and simple figures here to make it easier. So, say we do 12,000 miles in a year. Your yearly road tax is £180. Your annual insurance bill is, say, £400. Your HP is £4,220 for the year, even if you actually pay monthly. Fuel is £1.20 per litre, and your car does, say, 10 miles to the litre. You find that your average garage MOT and maintenance bill works out at 27 pence per mile. A set of tyres lasts you about 40,000 miles and they cost you £400 a set. The school is 6 miles from home, making the return trip 12 miles. We have to break up the costs into two parts. First, we deal with the yearly costs. Let's add them up. £180 vehicle excise duty, plus £400 insurance, plus £4,220 hire purchase. All that makes £4,800 for the year. If we do 12,000 miles in a year, we have to divide £4,800 by 12,000 miles to get the cost per mile, which is £0.4 per mile, or 40 pence per mile, for what we call our standing costs. Now, let's look at the mileage-related amounts. Fuel costs you £1.20 a litre, and you can do 10 miles on it. So, 1 mile costs you £1.20 divided by 10 miles, which is £0.12 or 12 pence per mile. Tyres cost £400 and they last 40,000 miles. So the cost per mile is £400 per set divided by 40,000 miles, which is 0.01 pounds or 1 penny per mile. Therefore, the total of what we call our running costs is fuel 12 pence per mile plus tyres 1 penny per mile plus garage costs 27 pence per mile, which gives us a total of 40 pence per mile. So our car costs us altogether to run 40 pence for our yearly standing costs and 40 pence for our mileage-related running costs, which is a grand total of 80 pence per mile. So, the 12-mile school run costs 12 lots of 80 pence, which is 960 pence or £9.60. Makes you think. If we were a taxi and wanted to make a profit, we would need to add on a markup. Let's try for a 20% markup. You do this on your calculator like this. Type in £9.60, then hit plus, then hit 20, then hit percent. This gives you £11.52 for the journey to the school, which is what you would charge your customer. What you do for a lorry or a bus uses the same principles.